chose the hymns today because they're intended to be positive, because we're creating in accordance with our belief system. So if we have happy, cheery, outgoing beliefs, that's the sort of life we'll create. And I think that's the sort of life that most of us want. So I've deliberately got happy, cheerful songs. And we've also just had Amazing Grace. I think the wonderful thing in this spiritual world of ours is that there's this eternal safety net. It doesn't matter how many times we screw up. God is always there. Grace is always there. So grace is always there to catch us. There is always another opportunity, another attempt to go around if we choose to.